Hi guys. When I was sick, actually, I got an alert to an item similar to this. It might have been this one, I'm not sure. And I looked at it because it was in my wish list on Amazon or something like it. But, I couldn't be bothered when I was sick. And I debated whether or not I should get one. Because I thought, well, I could probably go and do what I did before and hope that a Good Samaritan stops and jump starts my car, and then I would go straight to a garage. But I can't tell you how crappy it feels to have to do that. The first time I did it, it was like, okay, cool, I did it. Someone helped me, yay, I felt good. But to do it again, I don't know. I don't know. So this was on a lightning deal, and I started to, when I got better, I started to look at these. And these are good for more than just jump starting your vehicle. And I will show you in a moment. So right out of the box, it comes in this case. And it's got a little handle on there. And there is this at the back. Okay, in the far back pocket, you get the clamps, you get this, and the wall charger, and this. And that's how that looks. So you do get a manual, and it is wrapped up. I am going to read the manual because that's one thing I don't do, and I don't want to screw this up. So let me read this and I'll get back. There's a big warning across which says fully charge before you use it. And it looks like a pretty nice design. It's not super heavy, but it's surprising to think that something this small will be able to work. So this is where you would put in the clamps. And there's your other connections. And this one here, this one you can use to, I believe this hooks into here, and you can use it to power like a refrigerator or a car vacuum, or a tire inflator or whatnot. So there is a boost button. It's got your power button. It has a compass, and it has a flashlight. It's supposed to have an emergency. Let me see if I turn this on. 74%, and that's the light bulb. Well, it's good for emergencies. Okay. And shut it off. Shut off, man. Okie dokie, won't shut off. Okay. Okay. I couldn't figure out how to shut it off, but if you just leave it, it'll just go off like a computer or whatever that automatically powers down after not being in use. And it actually says on here when you're using the light what kind of light it is. Like, here, I'll turn it on again. Okay. It's acting different now. What the hell, man? This is whacked. What the hell? The light won't stop, and I can't get it to shut off. Okay, so it says light. Flash. Okay, it won't shut off. What the hell? Okay, it took me a while to get the SOS to come on. I don't know what is the deal with that. See, I'm pressing it. And, okay, it went off. Thank you. Finally, jeez. So I'm charging it now. says it's 66. What else does it say here? Because I'm so blind. Just says it's charging. Okay. Now, it supposedly could charge, or not charge, jump the battery at this kind of level, but I think I would want it to be 100%. So let's leave it on here and see how long it takes. Okay, I've got it here, and it says to connect, before plugging it in, connect the positive to the positive. Okay, negative to the negative, and this is going to have to come over here. Sorry. And gotta put this in here. God damn it. Okay, says press, shit. It says press boost button. I did. Jump start ready, it says. Okay, let's see. Come on. Seriously? Wow. I left the keys over there. Of course I did. It just wouldn't work if I didn't fuck something up. Damn it. Stressed out. The friggin' dogs got past the barricade. Okay, it's working. Now I gotta disconnect it right away. And you disconnect it the opposite way you took it off. So negative, positive, and it's still reading 97% charge. So I'm going to Canadian Tire. And I'm super stressed because I went out the back door, and that's where the dog, one of them already got through the barricade, which she never bothered to go through. I need to leave through the front doors or put that door back up. So I pulled up to the regular garage, and they have no place for you to wait. So lucky I had this little machine. Because then they told me, oh no, you got to go around to the back. So of course I couldn't start up my car, but I had the machine. It told me, they came and tested it for free, and it said that there was a bad cell. It said 10.99 bad cell. So I was going to get an oil change, but what they're charging, plus for the battery here and the, what do you call it, the fee is ridiculous. And now they are taking someone else's car before mine. Isn't that nice? I am really in no mood today. I mean, I wanted the oil change too, and that's not going to happen because they're overcharged. That's why I wanted to install it myself. So the cheapest battery at Canadian Tire actually comes with a 3-year warranty. So I'm good for another 3 years. Yay.